In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your project as a GIF using the Export to GIF plugin. Before we begin, a quick note on why this matters. GIFs are a great way to share a quick preview of your work, demonstrate motion, or showcase a short loop without sending a large video file. The process is simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to get your export started. First, look for the action icon in your workspace. Depending on the interface theme or version you're using, this icon usually appears in the main toolbar, often near the top right or within a contextual menu tied to your current project. It may look like a gear, a lightning bolt, or a small menu symbol. The key is that it opens a panel of actions you can run. Go ahead and click that action icon to open the list of available options. From here, find and select the section labeled Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll access add-ons and tools that extend your core features. Opening this area should reveal a searchable list or a grid of available items. If you have a lot of tools installed, don't worry, there's a search function that makes it fast to find exactly what you need. Next, use the search bar and type Export to GIF. Be sure to type it clearly so the search can match it accurately. You should see a result named Export to GIF. If the list is long, you can scan for the exact name, and you might also notice a brief description or an icon that indicates it's designed for animated image exports. This is the tool that will handle your GIF creation. Once you see Export to GIF in the results, click on it. This action will launch the tool and prepare your workspace for the export process. Depending on your setup, a panel or dialog may appear, confirming that the plugin is open and ready. From here, the on-screen prompts will guide you through completing your export. If the interface looks slightly different than what you expect, that's normal across versions. The important thing is that the Export to GIF tool is now active and ready to help you create your animated file. That's the entire workflow. Open the actions, navigate to Plugins and Widgets, search for Export to GIF, and click it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly turn your project into a shareable GIF.